Imagine a platform where you can reach millions of users, promote your affiliate links, and build a steady income stream. Welcome to Pinterest. This isn't just your regular image-sharing social media platform. Over the years, Pinterest has evolved into a powerful tool for affiliate marketing, with a global user base exceeding 300 million. That's an ocean of potential customers right there. And the earnings? They're nothing short of surprising. There are stories of marketers who went from zero to earning a 5-figure income in just a few months, all thanks to Pinterest. These aren't just outliers either. With the right strategies, anyone can achieve similar success. So, if you're looking for a way to boost your income, you might want to consider Pinterest affiliate marketing. Now, you might be wondering, how do I leverage this platform? Stay tuned. It's not enough to just post your affiliate links on Pinterest. You need a strategy. Let's dive into the world of Pinterest and explore the various strategies that can help you leverage this platform for affiliate marketing. First things first, you need to create engaging pins that catch users' attention. Imagine Pinterest as a bustling marketplace and your pins as your storefront. You want to create a storefront that is visually appealing, intriguing, and clearly communicates what you're offering. To do this, you need to understand your audience, know what appeals to them, and use that knowledge to create pins that speak directly to them. Use high-quality images, compelling captions, and relevant hashtags to make your pins stand out. Next, let's talk about optimizing your boards for better visibility and reach. Just like a well-organized store is more appealing to customers, a well-organized Pinterest board is more likely to attract and retain followers. Group similar pins together, use descriptive board names, and don't forget to use keywords in your board descriptions. This not only makes your board more attractive to users, but also to Pinterest's search algorithm, thereby increasing your chances of being discovered. Now, on to driving traffic to your affiliate links. Strategic pin placement and targeted promotion are key here. Don't just scatter your affiliate pins randomly. Instead, place them strategically among other relevant and high-quality pins. And remember, promotion is crucial. Make use of Pinterest's Promoted Pins feature to boost your visibility. And consider cross-promoting your pins on other social media platforms. But remember, while these strategies can help you boost your Pinterest affiliate marketing game, they're not a magic wand. You need to be patient, persistent, and willing to experiment and learn. And most importantly, always keep your audience's needs and interests at the forefront of everything you do. With these strategies in hand, you're well on your way to becoming a Pinterest affiliate marketing pro. The first step to successful Pinterest affiliate marketing is creating engaging pins. This is vital because your pins serve as the billboard to your affiliate links, and the more engaging they are, the more likely they are to drive traffic and conversions. To create engaging pins, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Firstly, ensure you use high-quality images. Your pins should be visually appealing to grab attention amidst a sea of content. Secondly, create compelling captions. Your caption should not only describe what's in the image, but also spark curiosity and encourage clicks. Finally, don't forget to use relevant hashtags. Hashtags increase the visibility of your pins and help them reach a wider audience, but remember, relevancy is key. Using irrelevant hashtags can lead to poor user experience and can harm your credibility. Remember, your pins are the gateway to your affiliate links. Make them count. Next, you need to optimize your boards for maximum visibility. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly do I do that? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Firstly, consider using relevant keywords in your board titles and descriptions. This is a simple yet effective way to get your boards in front of the right audience. Think about what your potential customers might be searching for, and incorporate those terms into your board titles and descriptions. Secondly, categorize your boards properly. Pinterest users often browse by category, so make sure your boards are accurately categorized to increase their chances of being discovered. Lastly, keep your boards updated with fresh pins. Regularly adding new and engaging content to your boards not only keeps your existing followers interested, but it also increases the chances of attracting new ones. Remember, the goal is to make your boards as discoverable as possible. Optimized boards lead to more visibility and ultimately more clicks on your affiliate links. Finally, you need to drive traffic to your affiliate links. But how, you may ask? Well, there are several strategies that you can use. One of the most effective ways is promoting your pins on other social media platforms. Share them on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any other platform where you have a presence. This can significantly increase your reach and drive more traffic to your pins. Another strategy is collaborating with other Pinterest users. Partner with influencers or other users who have a large following. They can help you reach a wider audience and, in turn, drive more traffic to your affiliate links. Lastly, consider using Pinterest ads. This is a paid option, but it can be highly effective in getting your pins in front of more people. You can target specific demographics, interests, and more to ensure your pins are seen by the right audience. And there you have it. With these strategies, you can effectively drive traffic to your affiliate links and start earning. Affiliate marketing on Pinterest is a powerful way to earn income online. We've traversed quite a journey today, highlighting the potency of Pinterest as a platform for affiliate marketing. We've explored various strategies, from crafting engaging pins that catch the eye to optimizing boards for maximum visibility and traffic. Remember, it's about creating a visually appealing narrative that resonates with your audience, drawing them in, and then directing them to those all-important affiliate links. It's a game of creativity, strategy, and consistent effort. Now it's your turn to put these strategies into action. Start with one, master it, then move on to the next. Build your Pinterest empire one pin at a time. And hey, we're in this together. Subscribe for more tips on affiliate marketing, and don't forget to leave a comment sharing your experiences with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Your stories inspire us all. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.